happy kids.
Hello, little geniuses. Are you ready to test your brain power and learn new things? Let's begin our quiz adventure. What color is the sky on a clear day? Red, blue, green. Correct answer is blue. How many legs does a spider have? 8, 10, 6. Correct answer is 8. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Tiger, lion, elephant. Correct answer is lion. What do bees make? Honey, butter, milk. Correct answer is honey. Which planet do we live on? Earth, Jupiter, Mars. Correct answer is Earth. How many days are there in a week? 6, 7, 5. Correct answer is 7. Which shape has 3 sides? Triangle, circle, square. Correct answer is triangle. What do we breathe in to live? Helium, carbon dioxide, oxygen. Correct answer is oxygen. How many colors are there in a rainbow? 7, 9, 5. Correct answer is 7. Which animal gives us milk? Cow, dog, sheep. Correct answer is cow. What is the capital city of India? Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. Correct answer is Delhi. Which fruit is yellow and curved? Apple, banana, mango. Correct answer is banana. Which organ helps us to see? Ears, eyes, nose. Correct answer is eyes. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali, Holi, Eid. Correct answer is Diwali. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? 24, 28, 26. Correct answer is 26. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, tiger, lion. Correct answer is cheetah. What do plants need to make food? Wind, moonlight, sunlight. Correct answer is sunlight. How many wheels does a car have? 6, 4, 2. Correct answer is 4. Which animal has a long trunk? Rhino, elephant, giraffe. Correct answer is elephant. What is 5 plus 3? 8, 6, 7. Correct answer is 8. Which bird cannot fly? Eagle, penguin, crow. Correct answer is penguin. What is the